Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So, Robert brought us his super mint condition Street Glide. He just had the saddlebags painted, the entire bike is mint, not a scratch on it. He's super meticulous on the way he likes stuff done. You could tell by the shape that the bike is in. So he opted to go with 8-inch mid-base drivers in the saddlebags, 1600.1, so it's a stage 3 high power, 1600.1 in the fairing, 800.4 in the fairing, HKI Mini DSP, Hertz components in the front. It's a really good looking bike, really good sounding bike. They're fiberglass aftermarket bags. They're nice and stiff. He's been working on the bike for a while. He just brought it to us to finish it off. He actually did half the work himself. Then he just had us finish off the work. And he has plans to upgrade the mid-base drivers to 10s over the winter. But really nice build, sounds really, really good. Check it out.
And I've been had to shoot out some money all under my bed. 28 took him a million, I made a career, they thought he dead. I get cold, my body cold, I barely get rest. Hit him one time till I pull up again, making a little bit of stretch. Beginning in the back of the band, grip in the back of her neck. I wanna put Meriton on the tent, I wanna see the reflection. I'm the best dressed at the Met. The way that her dress, I know how to dress. Turn the G to a flex. Just look at the chick, I poke out my chest. She didn't look but like my pets. I let her come you who for sex. I know the young one at a catch. Got one-on-one ice on the jet. One-on-one pull up with 10s.
To let them go. How can we fall apart on things we'll never know? Isn't it funny you can change your ways for someone that stays?
Yeah, I got somebody I love. Someone who's really important to me, but now they addicted to drugs. Someone who not who they used to be, and we ain't been keeping in touch. I ain't gonna say any names at all, cause I don't want no one to judge. But I wrote the song and hope when they hear it, they'll never forget who they was. I hope you feeling your spirit enough. I wanna just tell you I love you in case that you really don't hear it as much. I know we ain't talked in a while, but fuck it, I really don't care what it was. I wanna reach out, but you keep on shutting me down, and you ain't been caring as much. And what the fuck happened to you? You losing the fight. I never thought I'd see the day that you let addiction ruin your life. Everyone calling that shit a disease and making you feel like you in the right. But I hate the fact that you really be using that as an excuse. So do what you like or do what you might. And I keep on praying and reaching for you. I hope you look in the mirror and see all the things I've been seeing in you. Hope your reflection will send you a message and show you this shit is much deeper than you. If you don't believe in yourself, then you'll never believe in somebody believing in you. And I gotta tell you the truth, cause I'm about to lose it. And you in denial about it and just wanna make up a million excuses.
Number 3 is just a number, and Hank is just a name. When trucks don't sound like thunder, and nobody prays for rain. When you don't hear yes sir, yes ma'am, or Jesus on FM, then I'm bound in heaven by the soul. Tonight is bottoms up. Throw it on down, my best friend. Drop a tailgate on the truck. Find a keg and fill your cup. Kick it on. Tonight is bottoms up.